Alright, so here we go. Oof. Alright, these bolts, I've been very concerned about these. Line is straight, hasn't rotated, hasn't come loose. In there. Can you see it? Can't tell if you can see, if you guys can see that one. Oh, there it is. Yep, line is straight, hasn't come loose. Alright, let's check out the back. Line is straight, line is straight. Let's check out this side. The line is straight. The line is straight. The line is straight. The line is straight. This side was a little harder. Line is straight. And way up there, the line is straight. You see what I mean? Because I put the mark onto the actual control arm, the outside of it, I can tell the bolts haven't even rotated. Everything is tight. Everything's staying right where it needs to be. There's the shock extensions, straight, perfect. This side, perfect, perfect. Will that one rotate? Oh. All right. Let's swing on down to the front. Whoa, baby. Straight and straight. Straight and straight. Shock extension, straight and straight. Over to the other side. Whoa, baby. Straight. Straight. Looking good, looking good. Shock extensions looking good. Booyah, we did it. Let's see, can we see the shock extensions from over here? I think I got those, and I did get those. Shock extensions. Perfectly straight. Oops, sorry. Perfectly straight, perfectly straight. Anything else we need to check while we're under here? Plates sound pretty tight. Everything else is looking good. The brake lines aren't getting messed up inside of the control arms or anything. You know, here's our new brake lines. Here's our ABS lines. Everything looks good there. Locker line, our FAD line looks good. We don't have a locker on the front because we're in Mojave. And yeah, that's it. So there you have it. Everything's nice and tight. After our 500-mile checkup, we did some light wheeling out in the mountains. I've been raging over the speed bumps every now and then just to make sure I don't hear any clangs or any chunk or anything like that. She's been perfect. All the bolts are still good. And yeah, we can wrap this one up. So thanks a million. I hope you got some tips to help you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we're gonna keep the shiny side up. Talk to y'all later.